Welcome guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. On today's video we are going to repair a gaming laptop again, that is Acer Predator. Just few days back we got another gaming laptop which we fixed it. It was overheating and we serviced it. I already made video on that. It was overheating laptop and you have seen it. This time we have another Acer Predator laptop. You can see it's a beautiful laptop. Okay. The problem in this laptop is it is dead, it is not turning on. Here is the board. You can see in this board the work has been already done. Somebody has tried to repair it but he couldn't succeed it. Now the customer seen it, our ad on Google, and he visited us. So let's give a try and repair it. The board number is LA-J871P. Okay, so let's switch to the microscope and check it out what is the problem and try to solve it. Let's start testing it. First we will open the heat sink and then we will start probing it. Okay, so heat sink is out now. Now let's start probing. So we will start from the place where the suspicion is there. That means where the people have already repaired, where the earlier person has already repaired. We will check that section, and it is here. Here I see, if I can zoom it and show you. So as you can see here, and if I touch it, it is showing there is a shorting on this. Okay, so this coil shows there is a short in this area. Let's check it out, the main line, the 19 volts line. So on the 19 volt section I don't see any shorting. No, I don't see any shorting on the 19 volts. Let's see backside. Backside I think there is no circuit. Okay, so there is no shorting on the back side of the board. That means the shorting is there on this secondary line area where the person has already worked. That means this side. So let's remove the coil. Let's lift the coil and check it out. Now we need to check it out everywhere. If there is any shorting elsewhere. Okay, on the GPU there is no value. It shows only 0 ohm. Oh, that means it could be the GPU which has gone. Let's check it out thoroughly. We'll find it out whether the GPU is gone or there is some life is still there. It shows completely 0. That is why the person who has already diagnosed earlier has returned it to the customer. Mm, processor has some resistance, but the GPU has no resistance at all. Some resistance value is coming behind the GPU. Okay, I think I found the problem. You can see clearly there is a issue with this USB port. Let's correct it and check it out if this is causing the problem. The pins are bent inside this USB port. Now I have tried to fix it. Let's test it now, if any change. Some value has come to this. Okay, now let's remove the USB and then check it out, because due to USB this problem also occurs. Okay guys, so we are removing the USB. Let's remove the USB and check it out. Okay guys, so now let's test it. Okay, the short is still there. Still the same thing. Okay, so now let's check it out through a schematic. Okay, so as per the schematic, it is PU301. This is PU301 and here it is PU301. 3 volts enable. Okay, so this IC must be the faulty. Let's remove this IC and check it out again. So this was the coil which was short. Now let's remove this IC and check it out. Okay guys, so we have removed the IC. Now let's check it out once again. Okay, the short is still there. Now we have to inject the voltage and check it out whether the GPU has gone, any chipset has faulty. Let's inject voltage and check it out. Okay, so voltage we are keeping at 1.5. On 1.5, let's see how much. Okay, the PCH is heating at 1.4 volts, so this board has gone. It cannot be repaired. It has been given back to the customer from the previous repair center. So this is no fix guys. So this board cannot be repaired. Let's find out. So guys, it was a no fix. As you saw that PCH is overheating and it's a bad idea to replace the PCH. So we are just recommending this customer to change the motherboard, and there is no other option. So hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and like the video as well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.